Welcome back. In today's class, you will learn how to connect a device to the internet using the Wi-Fi settings and how to insert the password when required. To connect a device to the internet using Wi-Fi settings and insert a password when required, follow these steps. 1. Access Wi-Fi settings. Open the settings menu on your device. This is typically represented by a gear icon and can usually be found on the home screen or in the app drawer. 2. Locate Wi-Fi settings. Within the settings menu, look for the option labeled Wi-Fi connections or network and internet. Tap on this option to access the Wi-Fi settings. 3. Enable Wi-Fi. If Wi-Fi is not already enabled, toggle the switch to turn it on. This allows your device to scan for available Wi-Fi networks in the vicinity. 4. Scan for Wi-Fi networks. Your device will automatically scan for available Wi-Fi networks. Wait for the list of available networks to populate on the screen. 5. Select the desired Wi-Fi network. From the list of available networks, tap on the name of the Wi-Fi network you want to connect to. This may be your home network, a public hotspot, or another network you have permission to access. 6. Enter the Wi-Fi password. If the selected Wi-Fi network is password protected, you will be prompted to enter the network password. Tap on the password field to bring up the keyboard. Then type in the password using the on-screen keyboard. Make sure to enter the password correctly, as it is case sensitive. 7. Connect to the network. After entering the password, tap on the connect button or any similar option to initiate the connection process. Your device will attempt to connect to the selected Wi-Fi network using the provided password. 8. Wait for connection. Wait for your device to establish a connection to the Wi-Fi network successfully. You should now be able to access the internet and other network services using your device. 9. Confirmation. Once connected, you should see a confirmation message or icon indicating that your device is connected to the Wi-Fi network successfully. You should now be able to access the internet and other network services using your device. 10. Troubleshooting if needed. If you encounter any issue during the connection process, double-check the entered password for accuracy. Ensure that the selected Wi-Fi network is within range and verify that the Wi-Fi signal strength is sufficient. With this, we have come to the end of today's class. See you in the next class.